Round one says shogi football practice rata niwa de ya Presbyterian Church la do de re tari gan sam boda lapta gi program she thabe program yere plus ani Presbyterian Church ki lo tak bara ji Christmas celebration gi che do thaba zoliya ani cake den de chi ore ani khala sa ga tang go ra ani odi sane Shillong gi le je da mimang zo invite che ra ta thana del do de ye langma gi ni de ni je tu gi de che go so
이러면 모두 친구 좀 줘. 아빠도 좀 인도. 아빠 참 킬로미터 직당.
네, 어제 church le so. 어제 church le sta. 인zel라. Jesus Christ yura. 된다. 어도 Jesus Christ 어도 카말라. 카말라. touch dile. 아, 닝zel. the Presbyterian Church church there ra dinala ya the dining khala sa da nato position am sabdu the church kan there ha ja on there is church there oh boy Thank you for coming. Ade memani konza momo gaushio ra momo kinles de momo kinles ya and desibin church to many churches around my like what they are our daughter churches. The church now the church but not only the Presbyterian Church the Begala now usually the Lord gather in Sanga in Sumudra for the church now the magic was Nazaria kept answer. Yes, no, I sure.
And our dear friends from the Tibetan Community, brothers and sisters in Christ, a warm welcome and a joyful Christmas greeting to everyone present here this afternoon. On behalf of the Laitumkhrah Presbyterian Church, I extend a heartfelt welcome to each one of you to this Christmas program of fellowship, joy, and celebration. We are especially honored by the presence of our friend from the Tibetan Community. The present truly adds meaning and warmth to this celebration. For all of you. So at this time, I request all the church elders to kindly help distributing the cakes that we have prepared for all our brothers and sisters from the Tibetan community. The cakes are there.
Christmas gift khara so Christmas gift. Samala Christmas gift. The cake, the gift pura ras da dari.
This is from the youth group for the children.
Haraso. Thank you Lagminda. Kuch chena lamasa, kuch chena Merry Christmas Laura.
From our friends from the Tibetan Community, may I request Brother Jimmy to kindly take the stage.
Good afternoon. I am on behalf of the Tibetan Community. We are honored to be here on this special occasion as we celebrate the 19th Christmas and we celebrate 19th birthday of His Holiness the Dalai Lama of the year of Passion. This is very kind Pastor, Father, Church elders, and my dear Christian brothers and sisters. This celebration strengthens unity, understanding, and harmony among us. With sharing of His Holiness, let us go voice for the voiceless. Thank you to everyone. Merry Christmas and Jesus bless us all. And I would like to present from our first Tibetan traditional scarf to the melody of the church.
Okay, I think everybody's happy now. We all got scarf, we all got gifts. Thank you very much on behalf of all of us for the scarf. It's a very meaningful gift that you have shared with us. So we've come to the close of our program, and before we disperse, I'd like to express my sincere gratitude to our friends from the Tibetan community. Thank you so much for coming and to be part of the celebration. Thank you to all the beautiful children and for the beautiful performance. I think we lifted our spirit as we celebrate Christmas. We also like to thank Dr. Balaji for sharing. Thank you for the wonderful message that you shared among us. For the choir, for all of us present here this afternoon. So we would like to close to sing the song We Wish You. Everybody knows the song, it's very famous. We wish you a Merry Christmas. And after
We wish you a Merry Christmas.
2, 3. Thank you. Yeah, I need to ring a G. Laitumkhrah 가지 디 제거도 줍스라 때문에 아무 추수 사람들이 그것도 둘러 제가 줬어요. 그것도 야 로드니 나서 사말이야 투시나 Presbyterian Church की Merry Christmas cake 줬대래. 저도 가지다. 나 혼자 니 케이크 사기자 돼. 그땐 저도 니 케이크 사기자. Happy birthday to you. Boa. Happy birthday, dear Santa. Happy birthday to you.